Hi everyone, this is Samir from Tulip here today, and I'm here to walk you through our new Light Kit unit test application. The Light Kit unit test application allows users to actually see whether the Light Kit has been set up correctly and is functioning as it should be. So to begin this application, what we see is that you are asked to input a bin number, and when you hit the test button, the Light Kit should automatically turn green at that bin number. In terms to actually understand how to set the Light Kit and how to determine your bin numbers, that can be found at support.tulip.co or by clicking the help button on the bottom left of this application. So to go ahead and test this application, I'm going to enter bin number 1 and click test. And what you see is that the bin should turn green. And when the bin turns green at bin number 1, you have the option to say yes, it turned green, which will then tell you that the Light Kit actually functions and the app is completed and goes back to the previous page to test any other bin or any other Light Kit. So this is how a Light Kit unit test application works and is essentially made for you to be able to test and see whether your Light Kit is functioning as it should be. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and thanks for following along.